So what we are going to do now is create a new playground and write our very first Swift program using playgrounds. So to do this, we actually need to launch Xcode, and we can do it in a similar manner to how we launched the terminal. Come to Spotlight, type Xcode, and press return. And it'll take a moment, and here we are. Xcode is up and running. Now, if you received a message with a window similar to when you first launched Swift, that's all right. Just enter your password and continue, and there we'll be off and running also. Now I'm going to click here, Get Started with Playgrounds. So we're started with Playgrounds, and we have this window here in front of us. I'm going to ensure that iOS is selected, blank is selected, and now I'll click Next. It asks me where I'm going to save it. I'm just going to save this one to the desktop and call it FirstPG for Playground. And now I click Create. And I have here in front of me my very first playground. So now I have my playground window in front of me. And the first thing I want to do is I want to select everything within the window except for Import UIKit and delete it. So once that's done, we've got now an empty playground, and we're going to write our very first Swift program using playgrounds. And keeping with the time-honored tradition, we're going to write Hello World. To do that, we're going to go print, and you'll notice some things here popping up. That's part of what's called autocomplete. It's one of the features of Xcode and Playground, and it comes in really handy, but we won't be using it too much right at the start. So now I want to go open bracket, close bracket. I come back inside, and I will now put in my two quotes, go inside them, Hello World. And once that's done, I'm going to go to a new line. Okay, you're not really seeing anything outstanding or amazing just yet, but we're going to come across to the play button and click the play button, and you'll notice in the top it said running. And if you're not sure where that was, up here, there was a quick glimpse of running FirstPG. And you'll notice on the side over here, this area here is known as the results sidebar. And the results sidebar show what's happening within your code line by line. And once we click play, we also got now down here in this bottom window, we had Hello World, what we had written up here inside the print statement. And the result down the bottom is the execution of your code's result. So through executing your very first Swift program within a playground, you got Hello World down the bottom there. So congratulations, you've now written Swift using the terminal window, and you've written Swift code creating a program using playgrounds. Well done.